Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 1, Supply Chains, Demand Management, and Forecasting. Section 3, Demand Management, Lesson 1, Introduction to Demand Management. Introduction to Demand Management. Welcome to the world of demand management. As a beginner, you might be wondering what this term means and why it's so important. Simply put, this lesson is the foundation for understanding how companies figure out what their customers want and how they plan to provide it. 1. What is demand management? At its core, demand management is a planning methodology used to forecast, plan for, and manage the demand for products and services. Think of it as the bridge between the customer and the company. It's not just about predicting the future, it's about actively shaping and coordinating to meet that future effectively. A simple analogy: imagine you are throwing a party. Without demand management, you guess how many people are coming, buy a random amount of food, and hope for the best. You might run out of pizza or have tons of leftover soda. With demand management, you send out invitations, market signals, ask people to RSVP, gather data, count the yes responses, forecast demand, and then go shopping based on that number, create a plan. You might even decide to have a smaller, more exclusive party, shape the demand, or ask everyone to bring a dish, influence the supply. In a business context, demand management is the formal version of this party planning process. It ensures that a company's operations, like manufacturing, purchasing, and logistics, are aligned with what customers actually want to buy. 2. Why is demand management so important? For a business, getting demand management right is crucial for success. Here's why. Happy customers. When you accurately manage demand, products are in stock when and where customers want them. This leads to customer satisfaction and loyalty. Lower costs. Managing demand well helps avoid two costly problems: stockouts, not having enough product. This leads to lost sales and unhappy customers. Overstock, having too much product. This leads to wasted money on storage and the need for discounts or write-offs, which eat into profits. Efficient operations. When you know what demand looks like, you can run your factory, warehouse, and delivery network smoothly and efficiently. You don't have to pay workers for overtime to suddenly catch up on orders, nor do you have to pay them to sit idle. Better supplier relationships. You can give your suppliers reliable forecasts, allowing them to prepare their own materials and capacity. This builds trust and can lead to better prices and service from them. Strategic advantage. A company that can reliably meet demand while keeping costs low has a huge advantage over its competitors. 3. The key components of demand management. Demand management isn't just one single activity. It's a process made up of several interconnected parts. Demand forecasting. This is the starting point. It's the art and science of predicting future customer demand using historical data, market analysis, and statistical models. This is the topic you'll dive into next. Demand planning. This is the broader process of taking the forecast and turning it into actionable plans. It involves collaboration between different departments, like sales, marketing, and finance, to create a consensus on what the future demand will be. Demand shaping. This is the proactive part. A company doesn't have to be a passive victim of demand, it can actively try to change it. This is done through marketing campaigns, advertising a new feature to increase demand. Pricing strategies. Offering a discount to boost slow sales or raising prices to manage very high demand. Promotions. Buy one, get one free, offers to clear out inventory. 4. Connecting demand management to the supply chain. In your course, Topic 01 is Supply Chains, Demand Management, and Forecasting. This is the perfect context. The supply chain is the entire network that gets a product from raw materials to the customer's hands. Think of it as a river. Demand management acts as the source of the river. It determines how much water, product, needs to flow through the river. If the source, demand, is unpredictable, the entire river, supply chain, will experience floods, overstock, or droughts, stockouts. By managing demand effectively, you create a smooth, predictable flow that allows the entire supply chain to operate efficiently. The goal is to match the flow of supply with the flow of demand. Summary. In this introductory lesson, you've learned that demand management is the essential process of understanding, planning for, and influencing customer demand. It's the vital link between the market and the company's operations, and it's the key to running an efficient supply chain, keeping customers happy, and controlling costs. This understanding sets the stage for the next lesson, where we'll explore the specific tools and techniques used in demand forecasting. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.